I'm Anita. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something short and sweet, just something on the fly. I wanted to do a project with just a few beads from my stash, so I don't have a particular pattern or anything I'm going by, so I just want to show you how quick and simple it is for you to make a pair of earrings with any kinds of beads you might have in your stash. So today I've got a couple of ear hook findings here. I've got two eye pins here with the openings at the end. I'm using 11/0 seed beads. I've got a couple of fuchsia colored pink shell beads. They're not very big. I'd say that's probably a 8mm diameter, and they're flat. I've got two 4mm fuchsia colored glass covered pearls, and then these are kind of a pink jasper, almost have a little bit of pinkish purple marbleized color to it. That's from my bead stash. And then I have two 4mm crystals in fuchsia here, and then I have two stainless steel or silver plated earring leaf findings with a little loop at the end. And then for my tools, I'll be using some wire cutters, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and this is to help flatten my wire here. If you have a earring finding that's got a bend in it, this will help you flatten it without leaving any major dents. So those are ready to go. So if you want to join me, go gather some of your own beads and we can make this together. So here we go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm starting from the bottom up. I'm going to pick up my crystal because I want this to be at the bottom. Now I'm going to pick up a 11/0 seed bead. Now I'm going to pick up my barrel bead, like that, and another 11/0 seed bead. Now I'm going to pick up my 4mm pearl, another 11/0 seed bead. Now I'm picking up my flat shell and another 11/0 seed bead, like that. Very simple little design, and just using seed beads for spacers, it really makes it pop. You could do multicolors if you wanted to do white pearls in between. The possibilities are endless. So from here, I'm going to clip my wire a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch, about like that. And my 11/0 decided to jump off there. Pick that back up. So now I'm going to bend this at a 90 degree. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to bend that to get it started. Then I'm going to twist, take my flat nose or round nose pliers off and bend it again to get the loop rounded, like that. And you want to close it well enough so that you don't have a gap. So I'm going to try to pull that a little further in, like that. So now I'm going to put my earring finding on the end, and there's two ways you can do this. You can open up the opening that we just closed here, or you can open up the one on your earring finding. I'm going to do this one because I think it'll be easier. So I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and pull the loop towards me, just enough to get the earring finding on. Slide that on and then close it. making sure you've got it nice and snug. So now I'm going to do the other earring. Put my eye hook through the crystal, pick up an 11/0, pick up my barrel bead, pick up an 11/0, and my pearl. Pick up another 11/0. Now my shell bead. Another 11/0. Now I'm going to clip that. Make sure your beads are flush before you clip. And I'm going to cut it about right there. Now I'm going to bend this. Take my round nose pliers, twist that till you get it closed with no gaps. There we go. So from here, I'm going to open that up to get my earring hook on. Close it. So that's what we have so far. So for our final step, we'll put our little leaf accent on the end. So from here, you're going to open your eye pin by lifting this towards you. Put your leaf on. It's a pretty thick loop, so I'll have to open it quite a bit to get it on. There we go. Now we'll close that. Now we want to make sure the orientation is correct. So I'm going to turn this around because I want my leaf facing this way. So to do that, I'm going to take this earring hook off and turn it this way. Just flip it over. So now with my earring hook, it's going to be facing the correct direction. Like that. So we're going to do the same thing here. Open this up. And we'll pop this on by opening our eye pin. Let's see if that's oriented correctly. Yes. And close it. And there you have a quick and easy pair of earrings using beads you have in your stash. So have some fun with this. If you have this huge supply of beads that you don't know what to do with, there are so many possibilities. So get creative, don't be afraid, and just grab anything in your stash and just mix and match, and you'll be surprised how beautiful some of these pieces can come, turn out, and so many ways that you can accent. If you don't have spacer beads, you can use little 11/0s like this. If you have a spacer bead, go ahead and try some different ones. Really pretty and lots of fun. These make great gifts for birthdays, Christmas, little stocking stuffers, even Easter egg gifts. Pop those in a little Easter egg for your little ones. And lots of possibilities you can do with this. So I hope you had fun watching this short video today. I wanted to do something short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to also share the link with your friends. I also sell my own jewelry. If you click more below this video, it'll open up a description box and it'll give you a link to my website. So feel free to check out all the beautiful goodies that I've made. If you're wanting to purchase anything, I ship anywhere in the US. Also, if you want to know which suppliers I'll use, I'll have links to some of those vendors that I use in the description box as well. Again, thank you for joining me for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful week, and happy beading.